Welcome aboard the magnificent Jewel of the Seas, a shining gem in Royal Caribbean's fleet. Captured in stunning aerial views, this cruise ship sails with elegance across the world's most breathtaking oceans. Join us as we take you on a journey above this floating paradise, showcasing its beauty, scale, and luxury from every angle. As our Bravo Zulu drone takes on another mission, take in the full scope of the Jewel of the Seas. With a sleek white hull, sweeping balconies, and elegant lines, this ship stretches over 960 feet and spans 13 decks. Designed for both adventure and relaxation, it accommodates more than 2,500 guests and nearly 900 crew members. Watch as it cuts gracefully through the water, leaving a crisp white wake behind. From above, the ship almost resembles a small floating city, complete with everything you could dream of for the perfect vacation. Now let's zoom in on the top decks. You'll notice the expansive pool area surrounded by sun loungers and hot tubs, a perfect place to soak in the sun or take a dip with an ocean view. Towards the rear, the signature rock climbing wall towers above the stern, offering panoramic vistas for those daring enough to climb. Midship, the glass-covered solarium provides a tranquil escape for adults, complete with cascading pools and lush greenery under a retractable roof. As the camera glides over the sports courts and jogging track, imagine yourself enjoying a morning run with an endless sea horizon beside you. The Jewel of the Seas is part of Royal Caribbean's Radiance class, known for their floor-to-ceiling windows and sleek superstructure. This design maximizes natural light and brings the sea closer to every space on board. Even from above, you can spot the ship's expansive glass areas, including the Viking Crown Lounge, perched high atop the ship, offering 360-degree views and unforgettable sunsets. The aft section of the ship features tiered balconies, cascading like a waterfall toward the ocean, a favorite for guests who enjoy waking up to private sea views. Our aerial footage captures Jewel of the Seas navigating pristine waters and docking at exotic ports of call. Whether cruising through the Mediterranean, Caribbean, or the Norwegian fjords, this ship offers unmatched scenery and cultural experiences. Watch as the ship approaches colorful coastal towns, towering cliffs, and turquoise bays, all waiting to be explored. Even at sea, the journey itself becomes a destination, thanks to the onboard entertainment, fine dining, and world-class service. Thank you for joining us on this bird's-eye tour of Jewel of the Seas. From its elegant design to its top-deck adventures, every detail has been crafted for unforgettable voyages. If you enjoyed this aerial look at Royal Caribbean's floating gem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cruise ship features and travel inspiration. Until next time, bon voyage!